Hello everyone. This is hopefully a nice and easy tutorial on how to explore and use EcoDataCube. So let's start from a blank page. So let's type ecodatacube.eu in the search bar, and then we are landed in the EcoDataCube web page. What we're seeing now is, according to the information on the left bottom corner, is a Korean land cover map layer, and we can also check the layer information using this icon. It's land cover and land use, and you see some boundaries, ugly red lines crawling on top of it. That's NOTS regions level 3 vectors. That tells you the administrative unit over Europe. That's a little bit ugly, so let's turn it off. Okay, now we have our nice land cover map. So let's start from the left top search location function. So if we type Berlin, German here, and it shows Berlin, Germany, and its location. We click on it, and we ended up in Berlin. And you can see that the red, according to the legend bar here, is sealed surface, which means it's buildings and it's not bare soil. And then water is blue, of course, and the green ones are trees. So that's Berlin, and below this search location function, there's a little host. Maybe you already know it is the home button. If we click on it, it will reload the whole thing and lead us to, again, the same initial starting point. Let's just turn the field boundaries off. And this plus icon is zoom in, of course, and zoom out, minus. And if you click on this button, it will ask your location. It depends on if you want to use this function to explore the region you are and check all the other layers to get some information. Let's skip this part now. And if there's a globe icon, if you click on it, it will change to another projection. Since most of the layers in EcoDataCube is focused on Europe, so we see Europe is centered here, but you can always play around over the world. But outside of Europe, you only see the base map. And if you click this icon again, it will switch back to the plain flat map. This little bar on the left middle side is the legend bar, shows what the color tells you in the map. And at the bottom left corner, this is tells you the information about this map. And if you click on the metadata, it brings you to the information page from stack catalog. So you can see all the metadata here, and you can see different available map layers from of the same thing from different period. And let's go back. And this is the scale, and if you go to the right hand side, there's a time bar. Since this is only available in EcoDataCube as a stack map, meaning it's only one map is available throughout the time, so you cannot really drag this bar here. But if we go to dynamic map, for example, the soil organic carbon density map, now we see some nice little ticks appearing on this time bar, so you can click and drag it to see the dynamic information of organic carbon density over the Europe. And since this about soil is it is also available at different soil depths from 0 to 20 centimeter, 20 to 50, 50 to 100, and 100 to 200. So you can see as depths as you go deeper, the organic carbon density becomes lower. And if you click on the bar, you can see the time series of the organic carbon density of this point across time and depths, different time steps and different depths. And as you go deeper, the organic carbon density goes down. And this can also be in bar. It doesn't really make much sense in bar plot, so let's turn it into line plot. Now you can see the organic carbon density variation across time is not that dramatical. And now let's continue. Let's see what are the other layers. Here we have soil terrain. This is terrain map. Let's club this to see better. And climate. This is the accumulated precipitation map. And forest, air quality, imagery, land cover and land use, and building mask. All these map layers you can easily visualize them by click on them. Some loads slower because they have more details. Some loads faster. And some are static. Some are available as a time series so that you can drag this thing. And let's go to these little buttons. The first one is the base map. So the base maps can be OpenStreetMap in grayscale, that's what we are seeing now, and OpenStreetMap in more colorful scale, and Open Topographical map. You can see the topography of different places, and aerial map. And this one takes longer to load, so I'll skip that for now. And the layers we just saw, and some multimedia information, the Nodo, Zotero. You can share this page using this button. And there are some shortcuts introduced here. User statistics. Most users are from Europe, obviously. And also user statistics. And the last one is the word imagery way back. So this is the remote sensing imagery collection of the whole globe from different time. And this is not thematic map, so that means it's more like a picture of the globe. So it's more intuitive. You can compare this more intuitive map with many details to our thematic maps here. And that's basically it. I hope you enjoy exploring this tool, and if you have any questions, you can always raise an issue here in the corresponding GitHub repository or drop an email, and enjoy.